So here I am on the 5th floor, or maybe I'm on the 6th floor. I'm on the rooftop of our building here in Playa del Carmen, and I am sure I am looking over at Cozumel, and there are 3 ships docked right there. And then as we pan a little bit over here, there's another one. I tell you, life is just for living. And then the sun is in my eye, I'm not even sure. There's a water sports thing there, and then there's a yacht there, and I am saying, look at life being lived. Look at life being lived. And this is just a look on the apartments down below from where we are. Not sure you'll see anything, it's too big now. Let me minimize.